that your income has to be reported according to the U.S. tax code, but you're also allowed either to use FEIE or foreign tax credits, which may very well reduce your U.S. tax to zero. So filing a return does not equal owing tax. Next, the U.S. tax treaty with Greece, or the U.S.-Greek tax treaty, has a carve-out provision, as does every U.S. tax treaty around the world. It does not apply to U.S. citizens. So you can ignore the U.S.-Greek tax treaty. It simply doesn't apply to you. Period, full stop, the end. I think it's Article 11, C or D, and that's it. What does apply is that the treaty requires the United States to give a foreign tax credit to Greeks for Greek taxes paid on U.S. income, on the same type of income, and requires Greece to give a tax credit to U.S. taxes paid on U.S. source income when that same income is taxed in Greece. So the treaty provides for foreign tax credits, but you aren't exempt. And I can't tell you how many people say, well, gee, the U.S. tax treaty exempts you from tax in the United States. It doesn't. Why not? Because the U.S. taxes based on citizenship. And if the carve-out didn't exist in the treaties, that would undermine the U.S. citizenship concept of taxation. Okay. There is no statute of limitations on an unfiled tax return. What I'm going through here are the provisions of the code as they exist. So if you haven't filed a tax return for 2001, technically there is no statute of limitations.